Hey guys, Join Mine 200 here. It's another storm.
This is Michael, Mine 200, I'm gonna take.
And this is going to be a new series we're going to be doing. It's going to be called A Stormy Night. And pretty much every single time we're together and there's a storm, we're going to record it. And we'll call them episodes. Just like this one, I'll just call series premiere.
If you guys know, through the pickup truck. That's not ours. Somebody else's.
Pretty much we're going to try to have it at this angle the whole time.
This is what happened to me today. Something bad happened, then something good happened. I lost my iPod, and my mom found it, and that's under a rocking chair.
Who the hell knows? Okay. Alright, we have to... Let's just focus on the storm.
The storm, the storm, the storm, the storm, the
Seriously,
storm.
stop. Seriously. That's
Okay.
like my stupid.
The storm, the storm, the storm, doing, doing.
He's retarded.
You like that.
Only up here is where you can really tell it's still raining.
I didn't remember on the appetizer. And yeah, it's you lying. So I get that home before down. So you know if you live in the down.
That was fresh. That lightning bolt was fresh.
I saw it.
So
I
big. That chair just got nailed down there. Right there. Where my finger is. Right there, just got nailed. Holy shit! We're gonna die! It's funny how they say not to stay next to windows when we're like directly getting the school, like especially me.
Hey, Christian. Who goes America?
What if there's not being racist. Get
The flag.
I have the greatest idea in the world. Just kidding. That's a fail. I got it. You ever have anything for stalkers where we're just like hanging out with them? Oh god, it's like the third lightning bolt.
I'm leaving. Oh, boy, 100 grand to get a million freaking grand.
Ooh, shit's about to go down, motherfuckers. Sorry for the bad language, but man, this little bitch is going down like a bitch. You know there's a guy in the truck?
What?
I just noticed that there's a guy in the truck and the headlights are on. I just noticed that.
Oh my god. Are you serious?
Yeah. There's a fucking guy just hanging out in the car. He's like, it's raining. I'm better stay inside. I don't want to die, man.
Why is he's not gonna have a door? Like, who could come in?
No, that's get the fuck out of here.
Beep. Cut. Okay, we're back.
No.
Cut. And we're
My
back.
god, I have the greatest idea.
What?
What we should do sometime, we should come out on the porch when it's raining, and when every single car that goes by, we'll record and just shout, get out of the road! Get out of the road! Get out of the road! You bitch. Fuck you up.
For America!
You shut up. I'm not annoying. I'm Canadian, so I don't know what you're talking about. I'm a Canadian and Italian. I don't know how.
I'm American. I'm Polish and Italian. Together they make American.
I'm just hanging out, watching the sun. I'm just watching my rolling up and down. Oh yeah. Here, you want to get it from a different angle? I have the greatest spot. Follow me. Tap, follow me. No, it's not, you little whore. I'm trying to get around. Excuse me, but it's here, now we have like a better angle.
Chop you up. The sound of bowling are nothing compared to this. That pound
It's got a better angle.
is terrible. How do you know? What do I sound like right now?
Terrible.
I know. I sound in my mind. I sound really good.
I know, same with me when I sing. To me, it sounds like it sounds really good. But you know, so I have headphones in, so I can't. So only other people can hear me, not me.
Yeah, have you ever heard that? You think like you're an amazing singer, but then you think, you're terrible at it in real life. You just hear yourself as being amazing. That's what I heard.
Whoa, that one was caught in the top. Where's going on? Are we going to? We're gonna make these episodes about 14 or it's like 6 minutes.
Oh my god, the fan works. Yay!
Yay, BJ!
So, how's the weather out, Jordan? Huh?
Very good, bitches! About to get my dick!
Hey, why the fan?
It didn't stop working!
Guys! Jordan!
Ah! Just wipe me in the fucking eye, jeez.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Little bitch. Just for that, I'm gonna punch you right in the eye.
Punch me in the eye, that's very different.
I'll poke you in the eye. Come here, little rascal! Bitch.
Kitty.
Ooh, there's little rain droplets in the air. That did hurt.
We have an interview.
No. It's very cold outside. Stay inside or you'll die like me.
And yes, that was our cat. That was my cat.
That's our cat. I adopted her.
Sure.
I went to her house and took her. Then I gave her to you.
Look, listen, her name is Baby Bye.
Oh, stop it.
Yay!
No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. Here, let's get some action over there. Oh my god! Seriously, I went like that 1.5 until we heard the loud bang. That was freaking. Let's go!
I feel like
We're gonna die.
oh yeah, can you show them drinks?
Who cares what the hell we're doing?
No, I do.
That shit was fucking scary.
What do you like?
I feel like we're gonna get molested someday.
Why?
I don't know. That shit was fucking scary. You heard the loud bang. It was like, boom! Ah! 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 What the hell is that? Gobble, 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 gobble. The rain was just like the calm before the storm.
I hear I might be getting like an iPad or something like someday.
Psych.
No, I'm not saying.
Don't get iPads. iPads suck. iPod.
I mean like a tablet or some sort, like a sometimes tablet. I'm not saying an iPad tablet. I like a sometimes tablet. You know? Or I'm trying to save up my money for. I'm trying to save my money for a laptop.
Don't get a laptop.
Why? I'm going to get an iMac.
iMac? Are you on crack?
No.
It's not an iMac. It's just a Mac.
What is it?
You're bugging.
No, the iPad thing becomes the keyboard thing.
It's not an iMac then.
What the hell is it then?
It's not a Mac, because Mac is Apple. You're talking to HTC One or something like that. Whatever that brand is.
Oh.
Whereas like the Flip, I have fun with that. They're like they're like $1,200 or something.
Jordan, can I spank you?
Mm-hmm. So if you plan on getting one, it's gonna take like a good 5 years maybe. So this is the way you spend your money. You have $40 right now?
No.
What is it then?
I don't know.
Exactly. Probably like 10 if you spend it on action figures.
I gotta spend my credit.
So on your pod is
Get on the window.
Baby, I don't die, baby. Michael, stop sucking me dick. Michael, stop sucking my dick.
Look at
Michael,
look
stop
at
sucking
the
my dick.
Look at the mullah I have. Look at my mullah.
Give me the damn money. Popping bottles in the air. Yup, yup. I don't need got my fresh kicks on. They look like a boss. Stop breaking me up the butt with your hose.
this are we losing helium?
Yep. Awesome. So yeah, alright guys, we're gonna end this episode here. This is many more episodes to come. Every single time there's a storm, we will shall record it. And hopefully something good will happen. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys.